So here I'm putting on the oil control. You have a sweeper and then 2 spacer rings. I offset the spacer rings, the 2 thinner ones, by about 50 degrees or so. This is my middle ring. It does have an orientation. And then I flip the piston 180 degrees, spin the piston rather, 180 degrees for my top. You don't have to open the ring really far. It's really safe just to open it as much as you need it. This is piston 4. Kind of the same MO. There's the sweeper. Spacer ring. There's 2 of them. Really time consuming. And you try to have as much accuracy as you can. Pistons have to be clean. The ring lands have to be clean. Middle ring. Again, it's orientated. It says up. Some of them will have a dot. And then the top ring, 180 degrees opposite. And again, only spread the ring as far as you need to. Just enough to get the tool and the ring over the piston.